Giant amethyst crystals at an amethyst mine. These are created from a living earth. We are told that rocks are dead. Are they dead? Does this look dead to you? Use your common sense. These crystallize and grow in the earth. The earth is a living being. And therefore, the things that walk on the earth, that grow inside the earth, or like this, amethyst like this, they're living too. Everything is living in a living world. The idea that we're alone in the universe, woo, that was a bad program. Wow, one to delete. Everything is filled with spirit. Everything filled with soul. And everything grows and crystallizes.